We're going to use the psoas spine to get into this inner thigh area. We can do it with it on the ground, or we can be able to add a yoga block to be able to get it off the ground, to be able to get even more into that inner thigh. All right, so first we're going to leave it just on the ground. We're going to work on this front part of that thigh, nice and slow. Just, oh boy. And rotating, shifting and rotating, and then extending the leg here. This can feel really intense, but putting these two peaks right in between here can feel really, really nice. Now, if I'm trying to get further into it, I have to open my leg up, my hip, so I can put more of my thigh onto this area. Now I can do this rocky motion where I'm shifting my leg down and up here. Whew. Feels really good. This inner part, this inner thigh right here, this right here gets a lot of action, especially if you're running, you're walking a ton. And it doesn't get much love for massage. So using this peak right here can be really, really helpful. Now, if we're going to use a yoga block, this is nice to just get it off the ground. Now we can get a little bit more of an extension with our leg. We can do more of a rotational here. We can get further into that inner thigh and just working your way, doing some leg extensions. You can use your hand here to help brace your neck, but this can feel really, really nice. And explore up and down, side to side, rotating, shifting, and moving. Okay, give that a go.